Dear student, welcome to the Business Studies class, Part 5, Branches of Commerce. Commerce activities may be classified into two broad categories. First one, trade. Second one, aids to trade or auxiliaries to trade. First one, trade. Trade is an important branch of commerce. It implies buying and selling of goods with the objectives of earning profit. It is concerned with the removal of hindrance of person by producing a link between the producers and the customers. Trade can be divided into two, home trade and foreign trade. First one, home trade. Home trade means when a trade is carried out within a country, it is called a home trade. In the case of home trade, both the buyers and the sellers belong to the same country and the payment involves in national currency. For example, trade between a businessman in Bombay and a businessman in Trivandrum. Home trade can be divided into two, wholesale trade and retail trade. First one, wholesale trade. When wholesale trade means buying goods in large quantities from producers and selling them in small quantity to the retailer. A person who deals in wholesale trade is called wholesaler or wholesale dealer. Second one, retail trade. Retailing is the selling of goods in smaller quantities to the ultimate consumers. The person carrying on the retail trade is called as the retailer. He serves as the connecting link between wholesalers and the consumers. Second category, foreign trade. Foreign trade means when the trade is carried out between two countries, it is called foreign trade. It implies buying and selling of goods between two or more countries. For example, trade between India and America. It can be divided into two. First one, import trade. It means the purchasing of goods from a foreign country. For example, a businessman in India buys machinery from a businessman in America. Next one, export trade. It means the selling of goods to foreign countries. For example, Indian tea company sells tea to USA. Next category, auxiliary to trade or aids to trade. The term aids to trade involve subsidiary activity which facilitate the trade. The important auxiliaries to trade are transport, communication, banking, insurance, warehousing and advertisement. The auxiliary to trade are discussed below. First one, transport and communication. They help in carrying goods from producer to trader and finally to customers. They bridge the geographical distance and create place utility. Second one, banking. Very often, businessman faces the problem of financing. Bank and other financial institution helps businessman by providing safe and quick means of remittance of fund from one place to another. Next one, insurance. Business involves a number of risks. These can be covered with the help of insurance company. A businessman gets his asset insured at a very nominal payment of premium. Next one, warehousing. Since goods are produced in anticipation of demand, the problem of warehousing arises. It refers to the holding of goods until they are finally consumed. Warehousing perform a useful function of matching supply with the demand and create timely utility. Last one, advertising. And advertising informs the customers about the availability of various goods. It removes the hindrance of knowledge and create and sustains demand of the product. This part is completed. Thank you.